Hello there. Are you trying to reset your Windows 10, but you got this error message? Well, I also suffered the same. For days, I was searching for help on YouTube just like you. This one didn't work. Same for this one. Nope. I tried everything on YouTube, but nothing worked. Nonetheless, while I was trying, it says somewhere that there is a missing file in a Windows folder. That's when I decided to try something different. Simply, I thought, maybe I can recreate that missing file by re-downloading Windows 10, and it worked. Note, I am no expert. I am just a regular PC user who wants to share what he found. Please watch to the end before you start anything, so you don't make any mistake. I will explain how did I do it exactly, but you might be able to do it differently. I have Windows 10 setup files, recovery media, in a 16 gigabytes USB drive. You can do that by following the steps in a short video from Windows Helps. Make sure the USB drive is empty. If there are any files in it, they will be deleted. You can find this video's link plus other useful links for you in the description. All applications will be deleted, including favorites/bookmarks in your browser. I was sure to have both Windows and Office product keys handy. A product key is the 25-character code you get when you purchase these apps. Once I downloaded the recovery files, they looked like this in the USB drive. So, I simply clicked on Setup File and it started overwriting Windows 10. For me, I chose to keep my files, but you can opt to delete them if you want. It took some time. After that, I had a fresh Windows 10. Then, I went through the reset steps, where the error message appeared from local reinstall, and it worked fine. It took some time as well. Once it is done, my computer has become much faster. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.